Do you ever think about what's above us? Have you ever wondered what's all around Earth and how we can even breathe? That's called the atmosphere. It's a layer of air all around Earth. Air is a mix of gases that you can't see, but you need it to breathe. So the atmosphere helps us breathe, keeps us warm, and protects us from the sun. Whoa! And it's made of layers, stacked one on top of another. The closest layer is right here. That's where we live. This is where all our weather happens. Clouds, rain, even storms. As you go higher, the air gets thinner. And above us, there are even more layers. Each layer does something different. That's why they matter. Let's take a closer look at what each layer is made of. Each layer is made of air, but not the same kind of air. This layer is called the troposphere. It's the air where we live. It's where weather happens. This layer is called the stratosphere. It has the ozone layer. It protects us from the sun. Without the ozone layer, too much of the sun's rays would reach us, and that wouldn't be safe for people, animals, or plants. This layer is called the mesosphere. There's very little air here. Meteors burn up in this layer. This layer is called the thermosphere. It gets very hot. And you can see the northern lights here. The northern lights are glowing colors in the sky, caused by energy from the sun interacting with Earth's atmosphere. That's beautiful. This layer is called the exosphere. It's the outer edge of our atmosphere. It slowly fades into space. Quiz time. Which layer do we live in? A, stratosphere, or B, troposphere? The answer is B, troposphere. Remember, scientists, the atmosphere surrounds our planet. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time in Nova's lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.